Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on Debian 12 operating systems. But the process is a manual Debian operating system. The default browser that comes with Debian operating systems is Firefox. See here we have the Firefox as the default browser. Open it. Now go to Google, then search for download Chrome. Then click on this fast and secure web browser. Click on it. Then click on download Chrome. Then for Debian or Ubuntu type operating systems, we have to select this 64-bit.debian package. Then click on accept and install. See, once we selected, download started. See here, its size is 108 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current version. Okay, install it, sudo dpkg -i, then give the Google, give the tab to autofill, enter Debian package name. Hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Go to all show applications, search for Chrome. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it. Wait a moment, it will be opened. In meantime, ls, remove this file which is not required because we have installed Google Chrome. rm, give the package name. Hit enter. Okay, we have cleared the space. See, welcome to Google Chrome. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select this one. If you want to send usage statistics and cost reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. I don't want either, so it is up to you. Click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. Click on got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on Debian operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.